Hello guys, today I'll be talking about Malaysian SNR and I'll be mapping out gold so that you can benefit from my knowledge. Okay, so number one, I start from the daily. What am I looking for? I'm looking for a bullish or a bearish engulfing. So what is an engulfing? This is an engulfing. If this is a bullish candle, then a bearish candle forms besides it. This is a bearish engulfing, okay? So mark out this highs, and if price comes here and goes back, then that's my entry, that's my zone. If price forms a candle, a bearish candle, then a bullish candle, and closes above this previous high, that's a bullish engulfing, okay? So on this side, then you do the opposite. I mark the wicks and then you go. So let's start. This is Malaysian SNR, and we're on the daily time frame. So let's start with the storyline. So why is price here? We have to understand that. So we look at the same level on the left and see why price is there, because we are looking for a trade today, not tomorrow. So as you can see here, at the same level on the left, you have a bearish engulfing here and also a bullish engulfing here. So this candle closed above this one. A secret I'll tell you guys is that the wicks do not tell the story. The body tells the story, because this move is irrelevant if it closed here. Okay? If it closed down here, then this is irrelevant to count when trying to tell if it's a bullish engulfing or not. Okay? So we mark out the wicks. And I'll tell you also something else. So as you see this, guys, this is a bearish candle. Then it took two candles to break it. That is a hidden bullish engulfing. So what do? We mark out also the wicks here. Okay, let's start with the first zone. So price came here on the first zone and then went without sufficient storytelling. I want a bullish engulfing to form after this zone has been marked. So as you can see here, inside this zone, a bearish engulfing was formed. So the market was saying it was not ready to go up yet at this zone, and it needed to go to another zone first. So you mark out your bearish engulfing, and then now you wait. Okay. So as you can see here, this is the bearish engulfing. This from here, let's confirm. As you can see, that is our bearish engulfing zone. So what am I looking for? I'm looking for a QM area. What's a QM? A QM is a change in structure where price forms a high, low, low, then it comes back to this area and then it sells off. Alternatively, in a buy setup, it's the opposite. Low, high, boom, entry. So, what do we have here? When we change to the line chart, you can see that here we have a textbook QML. You can see praise is coming high, low, lower, high, lower, low, lower, high, higher, low, higher, high, then a lower, low. Okay, so you can see this is the QM over here. What are we looking for entry? Okay, let's mark it out. I'm looking for a zone that has a rally base rally or a drop base drop inside it. Most likely in a bullish setup, I'd like to see a rally base rally, then a level on the left. So first of all, this is not considerable for me. That is too high. I'll be looking at this candle close. Okay, this area. When we go to the H1, H1 is mostly the lowest I go to when looking for an entry. I don't like to look at lower time frames because that's too much noise. So as you can see here, the market here formed a high low, higher high, and a lower low, and then it came back, got back to this supply zone above this area, and then went down, and you can see how it fell, how it went into the next zone before buying. So this is a good area for a QM. This is also a good area because it aligns with the analysis, and you can see price also rejected here, then came. Okay, so let's go to the next zone, back to the daily. Okay, so let's mark it again. It went off. As you can see here, price has already formed a bullish engulfing. What are we looking for? A QM. I can already see a QM level from this. Go down to the lower time frame. So as you can see here, price has already formed a QM, and there are two levels on this. So which one do we take now? As you can see, there is a rally base rally over here. This is called a double marubozu candle. It forms when two candles close and then they form wicks next to each other. There is usually a hidden base there. So when we go to the H1, you can still see here's the zone. I think it's even clear around them that. Okay, so you can see here is the zone, the demand zone. Then it went up. So personally, I don't like to enter at the week if price has not closed. So this candle close should have indicated a buy up, but I like the candle to close in the zone, so I'm still waiting for candlestick to close here. I'd like to see the candlesticks close over here before going up. Okay, so that's what I'm currently looking for. Next, also price came to this engulfing. First of all, it came to this. You can see it reacted according to that. We can confirm there's a bearish engulfing. Sorry. I don't know if I'm a good teacher, but I'm trying. I don't know how to explain things slowly. So keep up and try. Here we are looking for QM level. Okay, I need to mark out. Here I can see the price action there is very choppy, so I'm trying to figure out where this kind of close. So I'm going to mark out this and the bearish engulfing. But you can already see here, this is almost the level. Okay, very nice. So you can see that this is a QM level right here. After price went down and closed, you can see the supply zone. This is the bearish engulfing. You can mark out the wicks. And then wait for your entry there. Okay. You can see even on the lower time frame. If you want a confirmation, you can still enter based off of that. So that's it. There is another one still up ahead, but I won't be going into that. If you want to join my Telegram, text me on Instagram or on Telegram. Because as you can see, this was the next zone, but price hasn't formed an engulfing yet over here. That was our last entry. So see you guys in another video. Have a good day and a great trading week.